How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to take this piece of 1/2-inch square steel. What I'm going to try to do is make it into something beautiful and something unique and something that reminds me of being outside. So I'm going to try to take this hunk of metal and turn it into a leaf. A little leaf keychain is what we're going for. Obviously, before I can do anything to this piece of metal, I have to heat it up, because right now, if I hit it with a hammer, it's really not going to go anywhere. While the metal is heating up, I'll tell you a little bit about the tools. You saw me yesterday using this hammer right here. This is called a ball peen hammer. And the reason it's called a ball peen, so obviously the front, this is just a normal hammer. But then on the back, we've got this rounded edge. I'll be using this hammer later because I need to make some curves, and this will help me in making those curves. The hammer I'm going to start out with, because I'm working on a pretty large piece of metal though, is this hammer right here. So this is my 2-pound cross peen hammer. So the front of it, there's a nice flat rounded surface, but then on the back I have this nice horizontal line. And this is really helpful because later I'm going to try to spread out the metal in certain directions, and having this nice horizontal line on my hammer allows me to move the metal around more efficiently. So looking at our piece of metal right here, you'll notice that out here on the end it's glowing very, very bright orange. And when I pull it out, it's white up here at the tip. So at the end of the metal where I was heating it, the metal gets up to about 2100 to 2200 degrees. But then you can see down here where I'm holding it, obviously it's cool enough for me to hang on to. But anywhere in here in the middle, if I put my hand close to it, I can feel it's really, really hot. And even though this surface right here is black and isn't glowing, I know that it's too hot for me to put my bare hand on. Here we go. Right about there. Starting to make it kind of leafy. Down here it is warm. we've got our leaf. Now we just need to make our stem. As we start working on our stem, it's the same thing that we were doing before. We're just tapering out to the end. Turn my hand a different way. You can see our stem is getting longer and longer. Almost all the way across the anvil now. So little now that it's heating up super fast. going to go ahead and finish it off with our nice decorative brushing. And we'll take this kind of drab looking leaf and we'll turn it nice and shiny. Everybody home, I hope that y'all are staying indoors and staying safe. I hope that you've enjoyed watching us